Hey everyone, welcome back to Coin Zero. Today I'm going to show you how to join the WYDON Airdrop and start earning free crypto. This is a new opportunity, and I'll guide you through all the steps so you can begin earning right away. Let's get started. WYDON is a new project that's currently offering an airdrop where you can earn free WDN tokens. These tokens can later be converted into other cryptocurrencies or used within their ecosystem when the project fully launches. First, you need to join the WYDON Airdrop bot on Telegram. I've included the link in the description below. Just click on it to get started. Once you're in the bot, click Start to begin. The bot will guide you through the setup process, which is super simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions. To stay updated with the latest news about the airdrop, make sure to follow WYDON on Twitter, now called X. This will help you catch all the important updates and announcements. To level up faster, you can complete additional tasks or refer friends to the airdrop. Each friend you refer gives you extra tokens, helping you reach higher levels more quickly. WYDON also runs regular giveaways where you can win extra rewards, like $200 in USDT. To participate, you'll need to complete certain tasks, like tapping 10,000 times or inviting friends to join the airdrop. Make sure to check their Telegram and Twitter regularly for updates on upcoming giveaways and how to enter. Right now, the WDN tokens you're earning are part of the airdrop. Once the project officially launches in October 2024, these tokens will be converted into the official WYDON tokens, which you can trade, hold, or use within the WYDON ecosystem. So, keep earning as many tokens as you can now, and be ready for when the full launch happens. And that's it. Joining the WYDON airdrop is easy and a great way to earn free crypto with minimal effort. Don't forget to complete the tasks, keep tapping, and invite your friends to maximize your rewards. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips.